Hey guys, another day, another reselling Q&A. I am freezing. I have been so cold the past few days. I'm not usually a person that gets cold. I'm usually always hot. I blame that on like having 5 kids and just hormones and shit. But yeah, I've been freezing the past few days, so I've been wearing like hats and stuff. My husband's like, what's wrong with you? Because he knows, like, I'm always hot. I don't know what it is. I don't know. Oh, guys, my sweatshirt. I found this at the thrift last weekend? Yeah, I think it was last weekend, but it says basketball is my favorite season. I love this sweatshirt. Basketball has started. If you guys didn't know, I coach my son's basketball team for the rec league. He's on the school team as well, but I coach for the rec league, and this is my 8th year coaching, I think, or 7th year. 7th or 8th year coaching. I'm so excited. We didn't have a season last year because of COVID. But yeah, we had like scrimmages yesterday. We made rosters and our first game is next weekend. I'm so excited. I love coaching so much. It's so much fun. High school basketball is so much fun. I started coaching him when he was in like 4th or 5th grade, and that was fun. Mostly fun, you know, kind of competitive, but you're still teaching kids. But high school is like, the kids should know their shit by now, and it's really competitive and so much fun. Fingers crossed that fucking COVID doesn't fuck it up. It already delayed the season like a month, actually. Yeah, because we were supposed to start in December, so fingers crossed everything goes well. First question, do you wash everything that you purchased at the thrift store? I have been steaming things, but I'm thinking I might change it to washing them. Just curious what you do. I wash everything. I do have a steamer. I will steam things that can't be washed. Like, you know, there's certain fabrics that are dry clean only, and I will steam those things, but I prefer to wash everything. I know that a lot of resellers will tell you that steaming is better than washing because it kills more germs. That's not necessarily true. Unless you're like a perfectionist and literally go over every inch of the fabric, there are still spots that you could miss. And steaming is just way too time consuming. It's just so much easier to throw something in the wash. The washer washes it and I can do other stuff. I don't waste my time steaming things. Like I said, it takes up way too much time, and I don't know. I feel better washing things in the washing machine. I don't have enough time to steam things. I really don't. Especially now with basketball. Like, oh, guys, it's crazy. My schedule, you just can't even, it's crazy. Next question, do you have a Facebook group? If not, would you start one? I'm sure, like me, many would love it if you had one. So I don't have a Facebook group. I read this message a couple days ago and I'm like, that might be a fun thing to do. So maybe. I'm honestly not on Facebook much. I just am on there to keep up with like friends and family. Even that, there's just too much drama. I don't know, people like air their dirty laundry on Facebook. I'm like, just no, don't do that. And then there's just so much drama on Facebook, and Facebook is just, I feel like it's for like old people. I'd say old, but guys, I'm almost 40. Am I almost 40? My birthday is a little over a month away. It's at the end of February. Somebody asked me how old I was the other day, and I literally had to stop and think. I'm like, how old am I gonna be? In my mind, I'm 25 forever. So I'm not a fan of Facebook, but maybe I will keep you guys updated. I mean, that's another thing. Like, do I have time to run a Facebook group? I don't know. I'll keep you guys updated. And oh my gosh, I've gotten so many questions from you guys asking if I heard about a certain reseller that is doing mystery boxes. If you go into it knowing that everything in the box could be shit, if you have like that mentality and you don't mind losing money, then go for it. But I don't know. I'm staying away from mystery boxes. I don't know if I'm going to be purchasing from companies like Jomar anymore, which I'm kind of upset because Jomar is like doing away with their affiliate program. I don't exactly know why. I got an email and they still have money that they haven't paid me out, and I don't know, it's kind of weird. That's kind of frustrating because I've been promoting them for a long time, and a bunch of you guys have purchased boxes from them. I know because I see the orders come through and I see the commissions and the money that I've made Jomar. So yeah, it's kind of frustrating. So what I would typically do is if one of you guys purchased from Jomar, I would turn around and use that money to purchase another mystery box from them, but I don't think I'm gonna do that anymore. As far as this person doing mystery boxes, I haven't looked much into it, but I don't think they're like complete mystery boxes. I think she's telling you guys brands, I think. I don't know, but again, you guys know my stance. If you go into it knowing that everything could be shit, that's fine, but just don't go into it thinking that everything's gonna be amazing, because it's probably not. Okay, next question. Do you have any experience with Tradesy or the RealReal? I do not. I don't really find many high-end items, so I don't have anything to send to them. I have looked into purchasing things from the RealReal because there are a few resellers that I watch here on YouTube that have good luck purchasing from them. But I've yet to find anything that I think is worth my time and money on there yet. So yeah, I don't have personal experience with them. I know a lot of other resellers do. And that's all I can tell you about that. Okay, next question. What is your best selling brand? So actually, let me look at my stats. I mean, I know for sure that Victoria's Secret or Pink Victoria's Secret is my best selling brand. Guys, Nolan has found his voice. He is like a chatterbox, just babbling all the time. Go into my seller tools and my closet insights, and okay. Well, this month, my best-selling brand was Nike, then American Eagle, then Pink Victoria's Secret, then North Face, then Lululemon, then Patagonia. I think Nike, what did I sell? I'd have to look into my sales to see what I sold for Nike to be my best-selling brand this month. American Eagle, I know for sure. It's because I sold a shit ton of American Eagle jeans. Guys, don't sleep on American Eagle jeans. I've said this. I know some people turn their noses up to mall brands. If we go to all time, oh yes, it's Pink Victoria's Secret. Then Nike's in second. Then it's Lululemon. Then Adidas. This month, Nike was my best-selling brand, but all time it is Pink Victoria's Secret. Again, a brand that a lot of people turn their nose up to, but just, I mean, you can do it. Actually, do it, because there's more for me if you do it. I follow this Instagram account. It's called What is New York, and it's really funny. It really makes me miss New York City. I used to go to New York City like 2 times a year for like YouTube events, like beauty events, and I miss it. I haven't been to New York City in a couple years. I think the last time I went, I was pregnant with Abilene 4.5 years ago. I need to go to New York soon, but there's a fucking pandemic, and can we just like Men in Black style friggin' shine the light and everything's back to normal and everyone forgot about shit? And all right, so that is it for this video. I hope I answered your questions. If you have any other questions, you can comment down below, send me a DM on Instagram, or tweet me on Twitter. If you're new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It is Keepin' It Rad. You get a $10 credit, and I also get a $10 credit, so thank you. That's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.